back to our cello journey. I'm Jess, and I'm so excited to see you here for lesson 2. Today we'll cover a lot, but don't worry, I'll guide you through it step by step. We'll start by tuning our cellos, adding rosin to our bow, then practice bowing technique and start using our left hand in the first position. Let's dive in. Before we play anything, we need to make sure our cello is in tune. Tuning your cello each time you play helps you train your ear and avoid bad habits. Let's start with the A string. It's the highest string and our reference pitch. If you have a tuner or a tuning app, set it to A440. Pluck the string and watch the needle or light on your tuner. Use the fine tuner if the pitch is just a little off. Turn it clockwise to raise the pitch and counterclockwise to lower it. If the string is way out of tune, you may need to adjust the peg. Only do this if you're confident. Peg tuning takes practice. Now, I'll show you. After the A string, move on to D, then G, then C. Teacher tip: make small adjustments and never force the peg. Strings can break if you tighten too much. To help with finger placement, we'll apply fingerboard tapes for first position. Materials needed: thin, durable tape, like par pinstripe tape, an electronic tuner or tuning app, pencil, tune your cello, which we just did. Mark first position note. First finger, E on D string. Place your index finger on the D string where you believe E is located. Use the tuner to check. Adjust until the tuner confirms E is in tune. Mark this spot with a pencil between the G and D string. Next, third finger, F sharp on D. Place your ring finger next to the index. Use a tuner to find F sharp. Once in tune, mark this spot. Fourth finger, G on D string. Place your pinky finger next to the ring. Use a tuner to find G. Mark this spot. Apply the tape. Cut a piece of tape long enough to wrap around the fingerboard. Slide the tape under the string, positioning it over the first pencil mark. Ensure the tape is straight and press it firmly onto the fingerboard. Repeat for the second and third mark. Teacher tip: these tapes serve as guides. Always rely on your ear to ensure you're playing in tune. Now that we're taped and in tune, let's get the bow ready. Rosin creates friction between the bow hair and string, allowing sound to happen. If you don't add rosin, your bow will just slide around and you won't hear much at all. Hold it in your left hand. With your right hand, hold the bow as you normally would. Place the bow hair on the rosin near the frog, then glide to the tip and back. Do this 3 to 5 times. That's plenty to start. Teacher tip: on a new rosin cake, you should use car keys to scratch the rosin surface. When using a new bow, you will need a lot of rosin. Keep applying until you get the sound you're looking for. As always, avoid touching the bow hair with your fingers. Before we move on, let's review what we covered in lesson 1. You learned about cello anatomy, how to hold the bow, the open string C, G, D, and A, how to sit with good posture. Remember, every lesson will check in on our 3 posture points: feet flat, sit straight, and stay relaxed. Great. Now on to bowing. Let's learn how to move the bow across the string. Place your bow between the end of the fingerboard and the bridge. We'll call this the bowing lane. Now apply slight downward pressure, but gently. Start by pulling the bow to the right. This is called down bow. Then push it to the left. That's an up bow. Keep your arm relaxed and your shoulder low. Imagine you're painting a straight line with a soft brush. Now, let's try an open string bowing exercise. We'll play each string 4 times using down bow and up bow. Try to bow from frog to tip and tip to frog. A string, down, up. D string, down, up. G string, down, up. C string, down, up. Now, your turn. A string, down, up, down, up. D string, down, up, down, up. G string, down, up, down, up. C string, down, up, down, up. Great job. Now it's time to start using your left hand. Place your thumb behind the neck and curve your fingers into a C shape, like you're gripping a small ball. Finger pads go on the string, not the tips. Lift your elbow slightly so your arm has room to move. Teacher tip: keep your nails trimmed short for good contact with the string. Every finger is assigned a number to help us read music. Index finger is 1, middle finger is 2, ring finger is 3, pinky is 4. Let's practice 3 patterns on the D string. Say them with me first. Open 1, open 1, 3, open 1, 3, 4. Open 1, open 1, 3, open 1, 3, 4. Now it's your turn. Take your time. Go slow. Pizzicato first. Open 1, open 1, 3, open 1, 3, 4. Now with the bow, starting with down bow. Open 1, open 1, 3, open 1, 3, 4. Take your time. Go slow. Now you. Open 1, open 1, 3, open 1, 3, 4. Great work! These patterns build strength and finger memory. You did a lot today. Let's review your practice assignment for this week. Practice goals. Bow each open string 4 times. Practice down and up bow motion. Check posture. Feet, back, relaxation. Curve left hand into C shape. Learn finger numbers 1, 2, 3, 4. First position pattern. Open to 1, open 1, 3, open 1, 3, 4. Do each exercise with pizzicato first. Then try the bow. Take it slow. Focus on form and relaxation. In our next lesson, we'll work on scales and a big milestone for our newest cellist. I'm so proud of your progress. Keep practicing. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment on how your cello journey is coming along. I'll see you next time.